Shiba Inu coin news, and Shiba Inu price prediction, and much more in today's video. What's going on, everyone? Win with Ryan here, and we're going to start this video off with a quick giveaway. We're giving away $100, and all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment below. Every single comment gives you an entry to win, and then go over to winwithryan.com to make sure that you are subscribed to my Make Money newsletter. That's where we announce the winner every single month. So with that being said, keep winning. All right, everybody. So it looks like, just like we talked about yesterday, we broke. What's interesting, actually, it went all the way down to the bottom of our triangle today. And remember, this candle ends in 44 minutes. But so in the last 24 hours, we were all the way up here in price. It came all the way back down here to our triangle and bounced out. So we're going to go through a ton of price analysis here in just a couple of minutes. But first, I do want to jump into the news for the day. Right. And as you guys all know, in my segment, I love to go over here to Crypto Panic First. That's the first stop that I like. It's the news aggregator for all of crypto news, and they do a fantastic job. As we do notice here today, also over here on the side, we have a mixed bag. In fact, yesterday was basically, I say yesterday, the candle ends right now. Yesterday's candles were all bleeding red for like the longest time. Been quite the rally this afternoon. So very excited for how well things have been rallying back up. Earlier in the day for the candle, it was looking really, really bad, but so far all day, it's been a good pump. And we will go through several different coins over in the charts. So stick with me here to the end of the video. We're also going to talk about some NFT information at the end of today as well. So Bitcoin. So I like to go, so this is the standard section here, and you can sort through different types of situations over here. But what I like to do first is I like to come over here to the trending section. And as we can see here, trending right now, Bitcoin BTC now ready to surge, according to crypto analyst Nicholas Medderin. Here's his targets. And I will tell you this, I'm on Twitter also all day long, looking at different people. You know, we got Crypto, Moon, all these people over there, and Tech Dev, Plan B. I mean, tons of people that are analyzing Bitcoin all day long, and they're all very bullish on the potential of where we're going. They're saying a lot of their indicators, they're like checking off all these different confirmations. So it's looking good. This person also agrees. State of Colorado to accept crypto for tax payments by summer of 2022. That's a big deal. You know, the more that these states continue to get involved, the more that it becomes normal. And then the more the normies get involved, and then the more money flows in. The more money flows in, the more capitalization goes in, the more that the coins that we're holding go up in price. So we're rooting for people to do that. $120 billion oil and gas giant ConocoPhillips joins the Bitcoin mining fuel business. Twitter now lets users and add Ethereum addresses as a mobile tipping option. That's interesting, considering the fact that there's tons of gas fees. I'm interested to see how that works. Banning Bitcoin is like banning the internet, says Russian finance minister. Breaking U.S. state Colorado will accept. We just said that. Crypto is a threat to global financial stability, top regulator warns. It's really funny. So now that Russia is like all about Bitcoin, watch how America probably is like down with Bitcoin. It's the worst thing ever, because they always want to do what Russia doesn't do. So it's just so weird. Geopolitical crap, right? So who knows what's really going on in politics. We hope that Bitcoin is a hedge against all this craziness. And we hope that, you know, the early adopters to Bitcoin are not governments. Because what if the government was the one that created Bitcoin and they wanted you to migrate to Bitcoin, right? I know that's FUD. It's crazy. It's freaking conspiracy theory, but I've been thinking about it lately. All right, so let's jump into the Shiba Inu news. We'll go up here into the search bar, Shiba Inu, and there's Shib. We'll pull that one up and see what's going on in the Shiba Inu news right now. Nomi Swap, the decentralized exchange with the best fees and benefits on the crypto space. Mover supports Shiba Inu trifecta. MasterCard to hire 500 more crypto specialists. Number of SHIB holders hits new all-time high. So that's very bullish news for Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu price prediction. Can Shiba Inu hit an all-time high in 2022? for sure. I mean, we're going to freaking, as long as the crypto markets pump, which they should, Shiba Inu is going to fly. Shiba Inu whale with 2 trillion tokens diversifies portfolio to other altcoins. So someone sold off a lot of their SHIB and went to other altcoins, diversifying their account. Shiba Inu trading commences on this popular exchange in earnest. Details: 430 million SHIB burned, while this SHIB burner plans new ways of destroying tokens. I do want to take a look at this. Shipburn Twitter account has reported over the last 24 hours a staggering amount of Shiba Inu meme tokens, the second largest K9 cryptocurrency after Dogecoin, has been moved to dead addresses and removed from circulation permanently. Almost all of the burning was done by one company that produces mobile games that help to incinerate SHIB. Besides, the owner of a major Shiba Inu burner has promised to come up with new ways of incinerating tokens so as to avoid being accused of scamming the community. 429 million Shiba Inu destroyed. In recent tweets, Shipburn account announced that over the past day, a total of 429,067,000 SHIB tokens were eliminated by being locked up in several unspendable crypto wallets. This amount of SHIB was shifted in 9 transfers. And as you can see here, there is a tweet from Shipburn, and it just goes over the fact that 9 transactions burned 429 million Shiba Inu out of supply. 415 million SHIB burned through a game. As You Today covered earlier, Twitter account 317_key announced that on February 15th, it planned to move 415 million tokens out of circulation via one of its games called Bricksbuster. According to Shipburn website that is sharing data from the Etherscan tracker, they burned slightly more than 415 million Shiba Inu in total. The other transactions carried several lumps of 1 million coins, 2 transfers worth 5 million, and one worth 2 million SHIB. Accusations of being SHIB burning scammer, CEO of Bigger Entertainment, Stephen Cooper, has tweeted that his company has faced backlash from the SHIB community for selling tickets to their regularly scheduled burn parties. These tickets are for subscriptions to those live streams on YouTube during which burn posts get destroyed and are worth $5. A big portion of burn posts came from these subscriptions. In a recent tweet, Cooper stated that the company will no longer be selling these tickets and will find new creative ways to collect SHIB for their burn parties without having to manage somebody else's money and not harm the company's reputation. On February 14th, Bigger Entertainment burned 240 million during their live stream. And that was on Valentine's Day. They had been talking about this. They have more big burn parties coming up in the future. And it says here, sorry, had to remove the last post. Bigger Entertainment will still be burning, will still host burn parties, etc. We simply won't be doing burn tickets anymore. We'll find a new way of creative ways to do the burn party where we aren't managing the money and protecting our reputation. These new creative ways will certainly include a lot more transparency. According to another tweet in the thread, Cooper wrote that he has been seeing a lot of scammer posts on the internet, apparently accusing himself and his company. It's more to protect our big clients like the Google and NFL from seeing scammer posts all over the internet. We just rather not manage the burn party money directly and deal with the backlash of it. So this guy's doing a huge service for the Shiba Inu community by running these big burn parties, getting people fired up about sending their token to be incinerated, and people are complaining, crying, and just being little babies about it. And we don't want someone who's doing great things for Shiba Inu and the community to just decide not to do it. Because obviously this guy, Bigger Entertainment, he has a large company. He's working with Google and NFL. He doesn't need to do these burn parties if he doesn't want to do them. He's doing it for the community to help provide a service for the community. So really sad to see people hating on someone that's doing really good work for the community. Now I'm going to also jump over to a great website for getting crypto news, Cointelegraph. And we're going to go through some of the headlines here and see what they've got going on. So Twitter enables users to give and receive Ethereum tips natively. We just talked about that. NEO price climbs after China BSN gives the project the green light on NFT marketplaces. RCMP asks crypto exchanges to halt trading for wallets connected to truck convoy protests. And we talked a little bit about that yesterday too. Big government stepping on the neck, putting the boot on the neck of the little guy. US-based crypto firms join forces for travel rule compliance. The graph GRT gains momentum as Web3 becomes the buzzword among techies. Web3 is definitely pumping. The metaverse is definitely pumping. The coins associated with metaverse are definitely pumping, and so on and so forth. Price analysis for Bitcoin, Ether, you can go and check that out. Ripple, SEC. Here's how two 2012 memos can turn the tide in the milestone case. Not taking the time to learn about BTC, Europe's biggest risk. Chainlink verifiable random function V2 goes live. Fidelity International launches Bitcoin ETP on Deutsche. And let's go ahead and check out this SEC versus Ripple information here real quick, scan it up. So we will soon know if Ripple's executives were warned of the possibility of an SEC lawsuit ahead of the XRP launch. Ripple's court battle with the United States Securities and Exchange has recently seen new developments that, according to some observers, could foreshadow an impending resolution of this massively consequential case. February 17th marks a deadline for Ripple to unseal a series of 2012 documents whose contents will likely sway the opinion of both the court and the public towards either one side or the other. In another plot twist, the court's decision to treat some of the SEC's documents as open to discovery could set the groundbreaking precedent for similar cases involving U.S. executive agencies. Here is where things stand ahead of the next round of the showdown. So what's at stake? 2012 legal memos. It says here, U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres ruled that February 17th, Ripple would have to make public sealed legal memos from 2012 from Ripple lawyers advising Ripple before launch of XRP. The SEC claims that Ripple was advised in 2012 that XRP would be deemed a security under federal law. So Ripple was well aware that the risk that the SEC would bring a lawsuit. Ripple claims that the 2012 legal memos related only to proprietary internal strategy. So we're going to see how that plays out. Hopefully this thing gets eliminated and XRP wins, and then XRP can really take it to the next level as far as the price goes. I know that XRP army has been holding on for dear life for so long. It is absolutely ridiculous. So let's jump over in the charts and see what's going on. All right, so here we have the daily trend, or the daily candles, and we are in the uptrend. We got super trend turn on. We are turned green there, which is a really positive thing. Also really important, we are in this, I guess you could call it a symmetrical triangle pattern. It's looking that way. On the 1 hour, it doesn't. On the 1 hour, on the 1 day, on the daily chart, it more looks like a sideways consolidation. But when you break it down into the 1 hour candles, it is 100% a symmetrical triangle. Really positive information on this triangle though, because we did officially break to the upside on this on the hourly. Right now, it is the hourly candle that is coming down to retest. As you can see right here, it is coming down to retest our break of the symmetrical triangle. So this right now, it could very well be the hour. And what's great is it's the last hour in today's candle. So going forward, we will know if this jumps back down inside of the triangle pattern, then we're going to be consolidating sideways a little more. If this thing jumps to the upside, if bounces off and jumps to the upside, we could be having some massive, massive moves coming from Shiba Inu. And if we take a look at the actual pattern, the velocity of this, where is this move going to go? If we go from the very top of the triangle pattern and we draw a line straight down to the bottom of that triangle pattern, and we move it to the breakout, which the breakout has occurred on this hourly, the completion of this pattern will take us all the way up to quad 0397, basically quad 04. All right. So quad 04 is where we could see ourselves going over the next few days if this thing maintains its break above our triangle pattern. If you guys remember, we talked about this just the other day. The last time we had this same triangle pattern was literally at this same exact point in price. And we did break above that triangle pattern back here in October. And we took that final break above this pattern. October 23rd was the break outside of it, and it ran all the way from there for the next several days, all the way up to its all-time high. Some bullish factors that we could take a look at right now. Number one, our price, it is moving to the upside. It is breaking above that symmetrical triangle pattern. We also had all the way, this day's candle, which ends in 28 minutes, ran all the way down to the bottom of our pattern and then ran all the way back up. Right now, it's losing a little bit of momentum, and it's looking like it's coming back down to tap the actual formation, which we were talking about. Also bullish news. The 21 exponential moving average has officially crossed over our 50 moving average, our 50-day moving average. So that is a very, very majorly bullish signal right there. Fantastic news. The one thing that we're looking for, and it's happened again. So this happened yesterday. The price ran up nicely yesterday. It ran into this little resistance section here at quad 031. Quad 031 seems to be our resistance. It did not break it yesterday. It has not broke it for the last 5 days, and it did not break it today. 27 minutes left in this candle. So what we're looking for is in the next 2 hours for this thing to break back above. So this price is going to come, and it did it. It already did it. If you're looking at the charts right now, if you're listening to this on audio, then you can't see it. But if you're seeing this on the video, it came down. It tapped our triangle. It bounced off of our triangle. Our 20 and our 50 have also crossed on the hourly, which is really good news. Now we want to see this price run back up. We need to see this price run back up from here, from our tests. So look, we broke, we tested. We want to run this back up above this resistance line, test that, and then take off to the upside. Not sure why it doesn't draw a nice smooth straight line, but it gets all weird like that. But anyway, looking positive for Shiba Inu at this time. We will keep a very close eye on this. Let's go take a look at Ethereum and see what's going on with those charts. Okay, so Ethereum yesterday, and it's done it a couple times now. So just a couple of days ago, about a week ago, it broke out of its downward trend. Okay, so it broke out of its downward trend a couple of weeks ago. Now it dipped back into its pattern. It just broke above the trend line yesterday. The price for today, the price ran all the way down. It tapped the 50 moving average and it rejected off the 50 moving average to the upside. Very bullish news. That means that the bulls are buying when the price gets back to that 50 moving average, and the bulls are winning right now. Obviously, we do have a red candle today, so that's unfortunate. The price did come down to the 50 moving average, which is also the top of our volume weighted average price that we've been running all the way back here since the lowest candle, which was January 24th. Okay, so bullish momentum continued, tested its resistance of the downtrend. We broke now out of the downtrend, looking to do a complete pattern reversal. We had a really strong candle yesterday. We had a tap off of the 50 moving average today. If we take a look at our market cipher indicator here, RSI is heading up, the stochastic is heading up. What we do also notice, the money flow is about to turn green. We also have our yellow line here, which is our VWAP, is in the positive side. Last time it was broken above the zero line and went positive over here. You can see that nice movement. That was when we went from 20, yeah, that was accurate. So when we went from 24, well, basically, I mean, when this really started happening, the turn was here on this candle, and our price was at 23.90, and this has run all the way back up to 33. So that's a $1,000 move over those last couple of weeks, which is really nice. Momentum still continuing to carry to the upside. So Ethereum looking good at the moment. Taking a look at Bitcoin, RSI sloping up, stochastic sloping up. We had a green dot yesterday. Obviously, we had a down candle today. So far, we are a little bit down. We're down 0.93%, so hardly anything down. Also good news. Price, it did break down below this trend line that's been intact since October of 2020, climbed all the way back up. It actually retested a little below it, bouncing off of our 50 moving average as well for Bitcoin. That was 2 days ago, now officially 3 days ago in 22 minutes. But today is officially the first day where our 21 exponential moving average has crossed over the 50. So typically when that happens, we see really bullish momentum, which we did see yesterday. Today, we had a little retest candle. It came down, essentially retested that trend line and decided to turn back to the upside. So we have a lot of bullish signals still looking good for Bitcoin as well. And as we all know, as Bitcoin goes, the market goes. Now, I did tell you I had a little bit of NFT news that I wanted to cover with you, and that is Gala Games and the NFT music. So Gala, if you guys are familiar with Gala, the actual token setting up music free on the blockchain, Gala Music is changing the music industry forever. We're launching a decentralized world and inviting pioneering artists from every genre and their fans to join us. So what's really cool with this right now is you can, because it's brand new, you can come over here and become a node for Gala Games, which is now Gala Music. So we have Gala Games, that department. We also have Gala Music. This right now, nodes power Gala Music. The decentralized Gala Music network is supported by music fans like you who operate a simple node software license from their home computers. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm just letting you know that I am going to be getting a Gala node today or tomorrow. I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. What you would do is you would simply click the Buy Now button. What you will do with the Buy Now button, it tells you how much it will cost to buy a player node license. In order to be a player node, and by the way, when you are a player node, they will reward you with different rewards along the way. So for 3,537.621 Gala tokens, which is basically trading at 33 cents right now. Gala is currently trading at 33.7, right? So 0.337. Over the last couple of weeks, this thing is up 158%. So that's coming in from since January 22nd. It's up 158%. Well, that was the peak. Right now, it is sitting at 117% up. So in order to do that, you would have to buy Gala tokens. You can get them on any exchange. You know, KuCoin is one that I like to use. You need a minimum of 3,537. So basically, I'm going to buy 3,600 of them. You do also need Ethereum. So if you check your inventory here, right now my inventory, my balance is empty. But you can see here all of your Gala information will collect here. So you can get Gala tokens on the ETH network, your Ethereum that you have in here, Town Coin for the games that they have. This is the Gala on the Gala chain. And then you also have the Town Coin on the Ethereum chain, and then also basic attention token that's also on the Ethereum blockchain. So what I'll do is I'll go here and I'll click this box. I'm then going to be able to click Get Gala. This is going to give me an address, and I'll send my Gala tokens to that address. So then my inventory shows that I have some. Then I'll simply go over here, Buy Now, click yes, 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 place order. You do also need a little bit of Ethereum in order to buy this. So I'm going to send Gala tokens, and I'm going to send probably 0.1 worth of Ethereum over here. That way I have it in that wallet. You can also check this out. If you click on nodes and you scroll down, you can run your node. You can collect money, tokens, all of that. You can buy, set up, and earn player nodes. You can also play music NFTs from every genre, pair any music NFT with your node to earn rewards, and be one of the first pioneers on the network altogether. There's also currently right now, a sale is ending on Snoop Dogg's Stash Box. Each BODR Stash Box contains one of 17 tracks from his new album. These music NFTs are your access to the Super Fan Club. They unlock rewards, future drops from the Dogfather, in-game utility, and ability to listen and earn rewards. If you want to buy one of these, this one's a little more expensive because it's 15,199 Gala, which if you do the math on that, you're going to come out to over $5,000. All right, so that covers everything today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to check out Shiba Inu on the charts. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Now, if you want to join the Run Guy Army. Let me show you how to join our team.